All right, guys, let's get into it. First, you're going to start by turning the machine on. It's going to be your button up there, top left. So this main screen that's going to come up, there's a lot of things going on, but we are going to go through them. So first, we're going to start with our max pressure knob, which is going to set our peak pressure at the top. So turn to the right, you're going to increase your pressure. Turn to the left, you're going to decrease your pressure. And that pressure will reset after 2 breaths. So if you make a change, just wait 2 breaths and you'll see it reflect there. Next is our PEEP knob. I'm going to turn to the right to increase, turn to the left to decrease. If you're looking at that green block there, the solid part where it stops, that's where your PEEP is set. It's not the bouncing part on top. So you can see if I turn my PEEP up a little, and then I'll increase my peak pressure, you'll be able to see that it's right at that solid stopping point right there. Next, we're going to look at our flow knob. So this knob is equivalent to on the MVP10, the 2 knobs that you had to turn on the flow. You need flow to get your pressures. Usually you can set it between 5 and 8 is fine. If I turn this all the way down and I have no flow, you can see I'm not going to get any pressures or any readings. So that's kind of one of the troubleshooting things you can look for. Make sure your flow is on. So we're going to turn that back up. You can see our pressures and readings come back. With this vent, we're going to have the constant flow on and the flow trigger off. We do not have flow trigger sensors for these, so that will always be off. Next, we're going to look at our settings. It is a touch screen, so you want to touch the rate, use your arrows to go up or down. You can do that the same with the inspiratory time. Touch that, go up, down. And this is how you would set your conventional mode settings. Okay, so now we're just going to switch into straight CPAP. So you're going to press that CPAP manual button, and we're just going to be manipulating our PEEP knob. And once again, that green block there, the top of the green block is where your PEEP is set, which is super helpful when you're looking at the jet and it's bouncing all over. You can just look where that block stops, and that should estimate the top reading of your PEEP on your jet. So now you're able to switch back and forth between conventional and CPAP. So you're ready to set up your transporter if you need to transport a baby, and also your jet if you need to turn on side breaths. And then you just turn off with the top left button, hit that bottom button to turn off the alarm and the light, and you're ready to go.